Crash course on Greece. City guides and hidden gems. Welcome to a crash course on Greece's must-visit cities and hidden gems. Get ready to uncover the beauty and charm of both well-known destinations and lesser-known treasures. Along the way, we'll share interesting stories and examples to ignite your curiosity. Let's begin. 1. Athens. The capital city of Greece is a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern life. Visit the iconic Acropolis, explore the bustling Plaka neighborhood, and immerse yourself in the rich archaeological sites like the ancient Agora and temple of Olympian Zeus. 2. Thessaloniki. Located in northern Greece, Thessaloniki is a cultural hub known for its lively atmosphere and rich history. Explore the White Tower, visit the Rotunda, and wander through the charming Ano Poli, upper town, with its picturesque streets and stunning views. 3. Santorini. This world-famous island is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets and distinctive architecture. Explore the cliffside villages of Oia and Fira, relax on the volcanic beaches, and indulge in the local cuisine and wine. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the archaeological site of Acropolis, a preserved ancient city. 4. Heracleion. As the largest city in Crete, Heracleion offers a mix of ancient history and vibrant city life. Explore the impressive Palace of Gnosis, discover the Archaeological Museum, and stroll along the Venetian harbor, lined with charming cafes and shops. 5. Rhodes. Step back in time in Rhodes, where medieval charm awaits. Visit the UNESCO-listed Rhodes Old Town, explore the Palace of the Grand Master, and wander through the narrow streets filled with shops and restaurants. Don't miss the beautiful beaches and the Acropolis of Rhodes. 6. Nafplio. Often called the most romantic city in Greece, Nafplio exudes charm with its Venetian architecture and stunning waterfront. Explore the historic Old Town, visit the imposing Palamidi Fortress, and take a boat trip to the nearby Bortzi Castle. 7. Delphi. Delphi, nestled in the mountains of central Greece, is a site of ancient ruins and archaeological importance. Explore the Temple of Apollo, the theater, and the Delphi Archaeological Museum, which houses ancient artifacts and statues. 8. Meteora. The monasteries of Meteora, perched atop towering rock formations, offer a truly awe-inspiring sight. Visit these unique religious sites, experience the breathtaking views, and take in the serene atmosphere of this spiritual destination. 9. Chania. Located on the island of Crete, Chania captivates visitors with its Venetian harbor, colorful streets, and historic architecture. Explore the old town, visit the Maritime Museum, and relax on the stunning beaches of Elefanici and Belos. 10. Ioannina. Nestled on the shores of Lake Pambodita, Ioannina is a picturesque city known for its beautiful castle, traditional market, and vibrant art scene. Take a boat ride to the island of Nisi, explore the cave of Parama, and savor the local cuisine. 11. Hydra. This car-free island in the Saronic Gulf offers tranquility and charm. Enjoy a leisurely stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets, relax on the pristine beaches, and visit the Historical Archives Museum and the Hydra Museum of Historical Archives. 12. Menemvasia. Travel back in time as you explore the fortified town of Menemvasia. Walk through the stone streets, visit the Byzantine churches, and soak in the medieval atmosphere. Don't miss the panoramic views from the castle walls. In summary, Greece is a treasure trove of cities and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the ancient wonders of Athens to the enchanting islands and historic towns, each destination offers its own unique charm and allure. Get ready to embark on a journey that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. And now, let's revel in a poem that celebrates the beauty of Greece's cities and hidden gems. In Greece, a tapestry of cities unfolds, each with stories waiting to be told. Athens, a city of gods and ancient grace, where history and modernity embrace. Thessaloniki, a vibrant northern star, with its charm and cultural bazaar. Santorini's cliffs, a painter's delight, where sunsets cast their golden light. Heracleon's ruins whisper tales of old, while Rhodes' medieval streets unfold. Nafplio's romance fills the air, as Delphi's secrets lie with ancient care. Meteora's monasteries, perched on high, reach for the heavens, touching the sky. Chania's Venetian harbor gleams, a haven of beauty, it seems. Ionina's lake, serene and grand, reflects the city's history and land. Hydra's car-free paths invite a stroll, as Menemvasia's fortress guards its soul. These cities and hidden gems, a treasure trove, captivate the hearts of all who rove. In Greece's embrace, new stories are spun, a symphony of culture. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.